Okay, so to boot into an external device, power it off. Make sure your external device is plugged in. I'm going to use a Type-C bootable device. Turn on, keep tapping F2 key to go into BIOS. And simply go down to boot and choose the device you want to boot. Press F6 to bring it up, F10, save and exit, and it will now boot into the USB. There we go. That's booting into my Windows 11 installation media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.